I know you're able to share with us a firsthand experience of what it's like to live in Del Rio, Texas right now. Talk to me about what you're experiencing and how maybe it's changed over recent weeks.
Sure, absolutely. It has changed immensely over the last few weeks. We've been seeing an uptick in criminal activity. There's actually been a lot of reports out west of town of violence on some of the ranches due to illegals. Um, it's kind of just complete chaos at this point. I know that DHS and Border Patrol and everyone, law enforcement wise, is the numbers are starting to decrease of illegal immigrants in town under the bridge. But a lot of focus is now left off of the large groups that are crossing elsewhere.
Allison, what have you seen? Like, what is it like where you are? Have you gone to the river? Have you gone to the bridge? What exactly have you seen?
So, to give you a little bit of background, I've had a lot of encounters personally with illegals where we've had convicted rapists picked up on the property. We've had people convicted of aggravated kidnapping picked up on our properties. I've actually been chased from the brush and into my own home by an illegal. There's a lot of things that have happened where we've had smugglers peering in our home through the kitchen window. We've actually recently found footprints under our young daughter's bedroom window. We've had a bailout on our property. We have a lot of loadout vehicles that leave. They come to the back end of our property and pick up people. You can hear the two honks and then all the doors slam and then somebody leave at a really high speed. But as far as town goes, I was down at the port of entry earlier in the week, and people are scared. They're afraid that the illegals that are there are going to become violent. And I mean, there's an actual real threat to that happening.
Well, what you're describing and what you're alleging is incredibly frightening. You mentioned you have a young daughter as well, with what you say were footprints discovered outside her window. When it comes to dealing with, again, what you're alleging as trespassers on your property, are you reaching out to local law enforcement? Have they responded? What information have you been given?
So in the past, when we have experiences here with illegal immigrants, yes, the response was always to call Border Patrol. And then probably, I don't know, a couple months ago when Border Patrol became completely overwhelmed by the increase of illegals that were crossing here, Border Patrol was no longer able to respond. They didn't have agents available that were able to work these groups in the brush. So based on experiences with some of our neighbors, because I'm not the only one here that has had illegals outside of their children's bedroom windows at night. Our neighbors have had encounters very similar to that where DPS has responded, but once the illegal immigrants are out in the brush and out of sight, no one is working that traffic out in the brush.
Wow. So are you afraid for your life and for your child's life?
Oftentimes, yes. I mean, I have to go outside. We have livestock and it's back out on some acreage and we're surrounded by brush. So I have to go out armed at all times. Our kids, I no longer just let them freely walk in and out, go to their swing set, walk out with the dogs. Like it's either I have to watch them constantly because of that fear. Just because I don't see who's in our brush, I know that there's groups in our brush.
Well, Allison, Del Rio, Texas now has an increased population of people living there. Obviously, we've got thousands of migrants who are now taking shelter under the bridge in Del Rio, Texas. They need food, they need supplies and resources as well. Have you noticed a strain in resources for living in the area? Talk to me about food and also medical assistance as well. How are hospitals in the area?
Sure. As far as resources go, I know that when this initially, the stampede of people came across the river, resources were extremely limited. There's only around 35,000 people in our town, and we only have two big grocery stores, and things cleared off the shelves immediately because all of those resources, such as water and diapers and some baby formula, everything was being pulled off of the shelves to feed the people that were under and take care of those people that were under the bridge because this is a humanitarian crisis too, and they need to be taken care of. But at the same time, a lot of people that were in town were not finding what they needed. And I can speak from experience as far as the healthcare system goes here because my children we've been fighting viral illnesses for since school started, basically. And our healthcare system, the staff, the workers, they're overwhelmed. I mean, the clinic, we have a drive-through clinic for, COVID swabbing and other things. And it was 14 cars backed up the one time that we went. We were like one of the 14 cars in line. And we've waited at the doctor's office for three hours to be seen, to find out whether or not we have COVID. And then we've waited up to 5 to 6 days for those results to come back. Our healthcare here is completely overwhelmed, and our hospital is full of sick illegal immigrants. There's really no room anywhere for the actual citizens to really go. Otherwise, we're stuck waiting.
Wow. Okay. A really descriptive and upsetting situation that you're describing for us, what you're seeing in Del Rio. Alison Anderson joining us live on the program. Thank you very much for sharing your story, what you've seen. We appreciate it. Take care. Best of luck to you. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Rob Finnerty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, too. Hit the bell icon to be alerted to breaking news. And remember, there's a whole lot more on Newsmax TV, America's fastest growing cable news network. Newsmax TV, we're real news for real people.